Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Wahyu Anggara. Will this is a little about SSD. Same as hard drive, SSD is a storage medium on a computer. The function of SSD is to route and read data and maintain the stored data in a permanent state even without power. How SSD work? The way SSD work is the read and write data to interconnected flash memory chip. Every to in the SSD uses gate transistor to hold an electric charge. Next, SSD will be used to store data even stock is not connected to a power source. The types of SSD. Number one, SATA. SATA is type of SSD that has maximum data transfer rate of up to 6 Gbps. SATA is the lowest type of SSD in terms of performance because they uses the same as interface as a hard drive. Number two, NVMe. NVMe is the latest generation of SSD. The physical size of NVMe also varies quite a bit, but has a fixed length, which is 22 millimeter. This type can only be installed on a computer that have an SSD NVMe slot, usually found on newer generation models. The speed of the type of SSD can reach a maximum limit of 3 Gbps. Difference between SSD and hard drive. If the term of hard drive capacity, the greater than SSD, well is SSD speed much faster than hard drive. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusril Mustafa. I would like to presentation about Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop, or commonly called Photoshop, is an image editor software made by Adobe System, which is devoted to photo or image editing and effect creation. Photoshop was developed in 1987 by brothers Thomas and John Knoll. They sold the distribution license to Adobe System Incorporated in 1988. Photoshop 1.0 was released in 1990, specifically for the Macintosh. Next is a view of Photoshop. The first is title bar. Title bar is a menu for the currently active file name marker in the Photoshop worksheet. Menu bar. Menu bar is a menu located at the top and serves as the main menu in Photoshop. Option bar. Option bar. This menu will change its appearance according to the tool being used. Palette. Palette. This menu contains tools that explain the active image or text object. Canvas. Canvas function for the working platform Photoshop. Toolbox. Toolbox is a menu that contains menu icons that are used when working, and usually the toolbox is on the left side of the Photoshop worksheet. Yes, next is multiple version of Adobe Photoshop. The first is Adobe Photoshop 1.0, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.5, 6.0, 7.0. Next, ada Photoshop CS1, CS2, CS3, CS4, CS5, and CS6. Yeah, the new is ada Photoshop CC. Next is advantage of Adobe Photoshop. The final result of the image editing process that is carried out can be said to be very satisfying. It tends to be more familiar and more frequent and easy to use. It has far more editing options compared to other photo editing applications. Adobe Photoshop works faster and is very smooth. Yeah, next is impact on industry. Development of digital image manipulation greatly influenced the photography industry. That the art of photo retouching and changed the way things work. Photoshop plays a big role in the development of today's digital world. Many photographers use this program to optimize the final result of the photo they create. And thank you.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Farah Munadia. I will present about input device system. What is a computer input system? Input device is a tool that serves to enter data from outside the system into the computer system. Some example of input device on a computer includes 1. Keyboard. The keyboard consists of keys that are used to enter commands into the computer system. 2. Mouse. The mouse looks like a mouse serves to enter commands on the computer. 3. Touchscreen. Touchscreen serves to send data in the form of input data and must be run by a system. 4. Touchscreen serves to send data in the form of input data and must be run by a system. 5. Scanner. Scanner functions as an image input device from print materials. 6. A joystick is an input device that can be used to control the movement of the cursor or pointer on a computer device. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Ragita Maharani. I will to show my PowerPoint with title Output Device. Output device. In general, the definition of an output device is one type of computer hardware that functions to receive data from a computer and then translate the data into other form. Example. Kind of output device and function. Example of the output device can be in the form of audio, visual, textual, or hard copies such as printed document. Number 1, monitor. The function of the monitor for display data from a computer to a screen so that users can interact with the data via a digital interface. Number 2, printer. The function of the printer is to make a copy of whatever is sent from the computer to the printer. The printer takes the electronic data sent from the computer and produce as hard copy. Number 3, projector. The function of the projector, as the name suggests, the output device projects computer image or video onto a wall or screen. Next, speaker. Computer speakers are hardware devices that convert signal from the computer sound card into audio. Next, backing storage. Backing storage, our secondary storage, is storage media provider to store various types of program and also files that have latencies, namely for a stable of program and files that are not being used or operating at that time, but will be moved to the main storage media when required by the user to be reprocessed into new data. For example, flash CD-ROM, DVD-RAM, flash disk, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Irfai, and now I will be present my material about internet. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the Internet Protocol Suite, TCP or IP, to link several billion devices worldwide. The forerunner of the Internet was formed through the ARPANET project, which stands for Advanced Research Project Agency by the United States Department of Defense in 1969. Nowadays, internet is so easy to access, but talking about internet, there will be advantage and disadvantage of the internet. There are so many advantages by using that internet. For example, we can find any kind of information that we need. For students, internet is very useful to help them learn some lesson. All internet user can also communicate with others from around the world using social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And internet also really help us to do our work. But on the other hand, internet also has disadvantage that might be harm us. For example, internet addiction. Internet addiction is detrimental to not only fitness but also psychological state. Fraud costs in the world of online trading, online gambling, and the spread of provocative news that does not fit with the fact, and many more crimes caused by the internet. However, the good or bad of the internet is depends on ourselves. If we use internet wisely, then we can take the advantage of the internet. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.